In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and start using Harpa AI in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so everything responds smoothly as you follow along. Since Harpa AI works as a Chrome extension, Chrome is the first place you need to be. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace where you can safely find and install browser extensions. Using the Chrome Web Store is important because it helps ensure you are downloading the correct tool from a trusted source. When the store opens, use the search bar to look for Harpa AI. Type the name carefully so you can quickly find the right extension in the search results. If you see multiple results, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct one before moving forward. After you find Harpa AI, click the Add to Chrome button. This starts the installation process and tells Chrome that you want to add the extension to your browser. At this stage, Chrome may show a small pop-up window with details about the extension and the permissions it needs. Go ahead and confirm the extension installation when prompted. This final confirmation allows Chrome to complete the setup. In most cases, the extension will install within a few seconds, depending on your internet speed and browser performance. Once Harpa AI has been added, pin it to your browser toolbar. Pinning the extension makes it much easier to access whenever you need it, instead of having to search for it in the extensions menu every time. Usually you can do this by opening the extensions area in Chrome and selecting the pin icon next to Harpa AI. Now open any web page where you want AI assistance. This could be an article, a blog post, a research page, or almost any site where you need help working with content. The idea is to have Harpa AI available right where you're browsing so it can support your workflow without interrupting it. From there, use Harpa AI to summarize content, help you write, support research, or automate browser tasks. This can save time and make repetitive work much easier. If you're new to the tool, start with something simple like summarizing a page so you can get comfortable with how it works, and that's it. Once it's installed and pinned, Harpa AI is ready to help you directly inside Chrome whenever you need it.